How to cook sprouted beans with tofu or tokwa, okay? Guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you my own recipe in cooking sprouted beans with tofu, okay? If you love sprouted beans as well as tokwa, please continue watching the full video so you will now learn another new recipe from this channel, okay? Thank you so much, guys, and thank you for hopping into my video. Good day and God bless you.
Hello guys, good day, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Pherl TV.
Hi guys, it's me again, Pherl. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Pherl TV. Welcome back once again here in my very humble kitchen. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to share with you the way on how to cook the sprouted beans. Okay, here in the Philippines, we call this toge. Okay, toge. Okay, the sprouted beans. Okay, I just bought this in the market for the amount of 25 pesos, I think. Okay, and then I'm going to add fried tofu. Okay, 4 pieces of cubes tofu. Okay, and the other ingredients are, of course, we need a toyo or soy sauce. Okay, this is already open. Okay, and then others, I'm going to put the 3 main herbs. Okay, the onion, the garlic, and the tomatoes. Okay, so I hope guys you would love to click like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell button in order for you to be get updated whenever I posted up a new vlog. Okay, this channel does not concentrate in cooking alone. This channel also includes education. This channel also includes business tips, giving business tips. This channel also includes fitness and parenting. Okay, so if you love that content, you can check the more contents in my playlist. Okay, I have a lot of playlists and you can choose from it to where you should watch the topic that you want to watch with. Okay, so let's start the cooking procedure, guys. To start with the cooking process, we have to ensure that we have a clean pan, guys. Okay, so the clean pan is preheated. Okay, so I will be using the oil of the one that I use in frying tofu. Okay, so it's still reusable because tofu also, diba? So what I'm going to do right now is, this is already hot, guys. This is the oil that I use in frying tofu. Okay, so it's already ready. Okay, the pan is already hot. It's perfect for adding garlic. Okay, I will now add the garlic, the onion, and the tomato. Okay, the garlic. White onion, okay? And then the tomatoes. Soy sauce, okay? Okay, when this is already boiling, we can now add the sprouted beans, okay? We will now be adding the sprouted beans, guys. I will now put the wash this well, guys, before using it to cooking, okay? You don't allow to put the excess. Already remove the cover, guys. Guys, for a tastier finish, okay? So I will be adding more for cubes. So we will mix this well, okay? to our face, guys. Tastes good. It's yummy. It's yummy. Sometimes I added pork, but right now I'm going to add the tofu. Okay, so you can see. We will now put the tofu, guys. The toppings, okay? Yeah. That's it. Tofu. So, ayan na siya, guys. Luto na siya. Okay? So, I hope you would love to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button for you to become updated of all my upcoming videos, guys. Okay? This is a sprouted beans with tokwa sa Tagalog, in English with tofu. Okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to give a like, comment, and subscribe. God bless. Good day. We will now turn off the flame.